Hi, welcome to Twib. In this video, I will show you how to add and manage leads on Twib. Go to Manage Leads from menu. In this page, you will find the leads added to your system. Click on the green Add button to add a new lead. This is the lead form. Fill up the form as per details asked. Twib Auto fetches the address. But if you are not on the lead location, click on the blue icon, and then you can add location of the lead from the map. Move the pointer as per the address will be added. You can map the lead with an area if the area is available, put up the lead stage, provide additional details, amount, select the lead date from the calendar. You can also put up a reminder by clicking yes and provide a follow-up date and time so you don't miss any lead follow-ups. Once the details are filled up, click on Add. The lead will be created successfully. You can see the check-ins done to the lead, also create check-ins for them directly from here. Upon clicking the Add check-in, it will lead you to the check-in form. Click on the View Check-ins to see the check-ins. Upon clicking any particular lead, you can see their details as well. The red box button represents the archived leads. The leads which are either lost or owned, see their check-ins or add check-ins, click the provided options. To search for any particular lead, click on the blue search button. Provide the name of the lead and search. The desired lead will appear in your search result. This is how you can manage leads on Twib.